Hello, this is a quick overview of how to use Doc Appender, and it's in two parts. This first part is a demonstration. So what we can see here is my Google Drive. We have a folder here called Individual Student Documents. You will need to set up something like this if you want to use Doc Appender. If we open that, we can see that the 4 students in here each have their own individual document, and those documents are blank at the moment. So if we just go into student A's document and open it up, we will see that that document currently has nothing on it. What's going to happen with Doc Appender is that all the information from the Google Forms is going to appear on this document. So what we do is we have to imagine that student A is giving a presentation, and that a group of students are listening to student A's presentation. Each student has a copy of this Google form that we can see now, and while student A is speaking, the students listen and complete their feedback on this form. So student A is getting ready. I'm going to write my name, and I'm going to click which student are you giving feedback to. I'm giving feedback to student A. Then I listened to the presentation, and it was a good one. So it was great. Your English is really good. Your voice was clear. Okay, anything like that. And I'm also going to give it a mark out of 10, and I loved it, so I'm going to give it a 9 because I'm a generous person. And then you click submit, and that's it. When the next student comes up to present, I can open another Google form. But if you imagine now, all the students in the class have given student A some feedback. Student A finishes their presentation, and student A goes to look in their document. So this one, like student A here. They open up the document, and there is the information, there is the feedback. And if this was a class doing this, there wouldn't just be one piece of feedback. There would be feedback from every single member of the class here. So that's the introduction, that's the demonstration, that's part 1. In part 2, I'm going to show you how to set up the Google form, which you can pass to the students and for them to complete, and how you integrate Doc Appender into that. So that is in part 2.